Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create Instagram QR code. Instagram QR code is used in order to help other people easily find and check your profile page. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can create the one. Go to your Instagram profile page, press on the three lines icon in the top right corner of the screen. Find the QR code option and hit to open it. Now you can start customizing your QR code. Keep in mind that you can select from design options like color, emoji, or selfie. If you decide to choose the color design, then tap anywhere on the screen and you will see that the colors are changing. By selecting the emoji design for your QR code, you will be able to use the emoji you like. If you want to use the selfie design, then press on the screen in order to choose the sticker for your selfie. After that, take a photo of yourself by clicking on the button. In order to share your QR code, hit the share icon in the upper right corner. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create Instagram QR code. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.